AI can write the report, analyze the data, and draft the email, and companies are still posting more job openings than ever, so something doesn't add up. The roles disappearing to AI were never really about the task. They were about the person who could do only that task and nothing else. What companies are actually hiring for in 2026 is judgment, context, and the ability to make a call when the data alone isn't enough. AI can process information faster than any human alive, but it cannot walk into a room, read it, and decide what actually needs to happen next. The professionals thriving right now aren't the ones competing with AI. They're the ones using it as a tool while bringing everything it cannot replicate to the table. Creativity, empathy, leadership, and accountability are not features that can be prompted, and every serious company knows exactly how rare they are in a candidate pool. The question was never whether AI could do the task. It was always whether the human behind it could do something AI never will. So, share this with someone still worried about being replaced. Like it if it shifted something, and drop in the comments what skill makes someone irreplaceable in an AI world.